Hi friends, today we'll do a sunset painting in acrylics. Sunset scene can be kept really very simple or it can be elaborated with a lot of elements to it. So if you're just beginning out to paint, keep things simple. If you're finding it difficult to place the clouds, leave it out and then try only the sunset sky. And also please free to add your own elements too. If you're just watching my channel for the first time, I post video tutorials every single week, so please subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. Hi, this is Modula for Modula Creations. Let's get started. These are the materials that we are going to work with. We are going to use a primary yellow, then a cadmium red and Prussian blue. And this is the three brushes that we are going to use for the painting. One is a size 12 and another is a size 6, both are filbert brushes along with a 00 round brush. I have linked all the materials that I have used in this painting in the description box below. Please check that out. I am not going to do any outline for this paintings because I can build it as I go. First I start with a sky. I just build it up with yellow and the orange. Orange is a mix of the primary yellow and cadmium red. For the clouds, I use little bit of blue along with the yellow and red mixture.
If you are new to my channel, I post video tutorials every single week. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. That's all folks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.